Today's setup was a little bit different. You guys can see a little bit more like on what's on my dresser and stuff, but it's a mess. Don't mind that. I know it's a mess. I just wanted to get this video out. So Jeffree Star last week on Friday, I believe it was, had his mystery boxes out, but the one I received today is the $40 one, which is the littlest box that you can get. And then they have an orange one, which is $75, and then he had another one which was $160. I just took off the tape just to be easier, but this is what the inside looks like. And I don't know if this one came with an exclusive thing or not, I don't remember, but like all the paper and stuff. I hope you guys can see it. So the first thing I see on top, I'm gonna start with the lippies. So it's kind of squished, but this is his lip ammunition lipstick. It's kind of squished, guys, I'm sorry. And this is in the shade Red Rum, so it's like a red color. Looks like this, super pretty. And ooh, this is the shade. This is so pretty. Go ahead and swatch it for you guys. Oh my god, I don't have a red like this. Like a red like this. I don't have one. That is so pretty. And it's good for like fall time. That's so pretty. The next thing I got was the Velour liquid lipstick. And this is in the shade First Class, which is like, it looks like a gold color. Let's see. Oh, it is a gold. So pretty. Go ahead and swatch this for you guys too. Oh my goodness. Okay. That's what that looks like. That's so pretty. Obviously, I don't know if anybody would actually wear this on their lips just because it is gold. But I believe since all of his products are like cruelty-free, vegan, and all that stuff, I think they are eye safe as well. So you're able to use his liquid lipsticks on your eyes for like eyeliner, stuff like that. So this can be used into a look for that, for the gold. And then the next thing I got was this, which is the, I guess the mystery one or the Halloween edition liquid lip that he came out with. This is in the shade Soul Sucker, which looks like black. I don't have black lipstick. I've never had a black lipstick before. Ooh, this is so pretty. I don't know if you guys are gonna be able to see like the gold reflexes in it, but that's so pretty. This could be used for eyeliner. For reals. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Look at that. Can you guys see that? That's so pretty. Oh my goodness. That is so pretty. Okay, and then the last thing that's in here is this thing that's wrapped up in green stuff. There's nothing in here anymore. I don't know what this is. So this is so cute. It's like Christmas. Oh my god. I've never had one of his palettes before. Oh my god. I'm like so happy. This is the Jeffree Star Mini Breaker palette. He came out with his Jawbreaker collection and he came out with the mini one. The mini one came in the mini box. I don't own any of his eyeshadow palettes at all whatsoever. I only own like his lip products that I've gotten from the boxes and stuff, but I've never gotten any eyeshadows from him. Oh my god. So cool. Oh my goodness. These shades, guys, are like so pretty. They are so pretty. Like, I know a lot of people have probably already seen the shades and stuff and probably already know what they look like. But oh my god, I can't wait to play with his palette. Like, honestly, I can't wait. So if you guys want to look on using the palette, let me know down below. So now I'm gonna unbox the $75 one with you all. Let's go ahead and get started. So I already took off the tape. I'm not going to show you the top because it has my shipping information. But this is what it looks like at the top. So you have black paper. And ooh! So it looks like. So the first thing that I see is a liquid frost. This is the Jeffree Star Liquid Frost Liquid Highlighter. This is in the shade Goddess. I don't know if I already have this shade because I do have one of the other one I get to add to my collection. So let me go ahead and take it out. You guys can see this, and let me go ahead and swatch it for you guys. This is like a dropper type of liquid highlighter. Looks like that, and then let me just go ahead and blend it out for you guys. I have somebody in my arms, like always. This is what it looks like. It's like a, no, mijo. It's like an orange type of highlighter, but honestly, it is really, really pretty. Super pretty. Okay, so the next thing I see is I got a shirt, and it says Can't Relate. It is so cute. This Can't Relate. It's like super, super long, but it's so cute. Like, it's so cute. I love it. It says Can't Relate. So then I got the Jeffree Star Cosmetics Skin Frost. This is a highlighting powder. This is what this looks like, and this is in the shade Mystery Frost. And this is like the, I think the item, I don't know if he was gonna make this again, but this was like one of the items that he said that was gonna be like exclusive to just this box, I think. Ooh, it is so pretty. That is what it looks like. It is so pretty. I don't have one of these, but oh my goodness. That is the swatch on my finger. And then I'm gonna go ahead and swatch on my hand. Ooh, that's so pretty. And it's that second swatch. That is so pretty. That is beautiful. So I got the liquid lipstick in Soft Serve. So I have more liquid lips to add to my collection. Looks like this. I have little fingers with me, so this is so hard to swatch right now. Okay. And that last swatch that's right there is Soft Serve. So pretty. The next one I got is the Lip Ammunition, and this is in the shade Candy Freeze. I believe this is from his summer collection. So pretty. Oh my goodness, this is so pretty. I'm gonna swatch that. I think these are like his lip toppers or something. But it looks so pretty. It's this first one that's like right there. That's what that is. That's pretty. And then the last thing I got from the Lippies is the gloss. I've heard so much talk about his glasses. Like, a lot of people like love his glasses, and I'm so happy I got one. So I got the shade Sky High. And oh my goodness, I'm so happy. Oh my god, his packaging is just so extra. Honestly, like, it's on point. And it's like an iridescent type of color. It's so pretty. Let me see if I can find another place to swatch it. This is so beautiful. Oh my god, that's so iridescent. That's so pretty. It's this bottom one that's down here. That is so pretty. It is so iridescent. Like, that's beautiful. Okay, so the next thing I got is another one of these. What is it? Oh, I got another mini breaker. So now I have 2 mini breakers. And it's the hand mirror. I don't even have one of his mirrors. I don't want one of his mirrors for like the longest time. Oh my god, it's so pretty. It's the like black and orange one. I just let everything drop on the floor. This is so pretty. I feel like a beauty YouTuber now, like an actual beauty guru now, because I have a Jeffree Star mirror. It is so pretty. So pretty. So guys, that was it. That is all that I got. I'm so... Oh, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and hit the little bell so you guys can be notified the next time I upload. And I will see you guys in my next video. Bye guys.